Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was a kind and gentle soul, who lived with her parents in a small cottage in the countryside. Despite her humble beginnings, Lily had always felt a sense of longing for adventure and excitement. One day, while wandering through the woods, Lily stumbled upon a mysterious crystal. The crystal was unlike anything she had ever seen before, with a bright and shining light that seemed to beckon her. Lily felt drawn to the crystal, and so, she picked it up and took it home with her. That night, Lily had a strange and vivid dream. In her dream, she saw a wise old wizard who told her that the crystal was a key to a hidden treasure, guarded by a powerful sorceress. The wizard told Lily that she was the chosen one, destined to retrieve the treasure and save the kingdom from the sorceress' evil grasp. The next morning, Lily set out on her quest, determined to retrieve the treasure and save the kingdom. As she traveled, she encountered many obstacles and challenges, but she never lost hope. She encountered fierce beasts, crossed treacherous rivers, and climbed steep mountains. Finally, after many days of traveling, Lily reached the sorceress' castle. The sorceress was a powerful and dangerous opponent, but Lily was brave and determined. With her cunning and her heart full of bravery, Lily was able to defeat the sorceress and retrieve the treasure. The treasure was a chest filled with riches beyond her wildest dreams, but Lily was not interested in the material wealth. Instead, she was drawn to a small key that lay at the bottom of the chest. The key was made of silver and had the words, "The door to adventure," engraved upon it. Lily felt a sense of excitement and curiosity as she held the key in her hand. She decided to use the key to unlock the door to adventure and see what lay beyond. She inserted the key into the lock and turned it, and with a loud creak, the door opened. Beyond the door, Lily found herself in a magical world filled with wonders and adventure. She encountered talking animals, soaring dragons, and enchanted forests. She traveled to far-off lands, explored hidden caves, and discovered ancient ruins. Years passed, and Lily continued to journey through the magical world, always searching for new adventures and experiences. She became known as the greatest adventurer of all time, always remembered for her bravery and her love of adventure. In the end, Lily returned to the kingdom, where she was greeted as a hero. She told tales of her adventures and all the wondrous things she had seen. And she lived a long and happy life, always remembered as the one who found the key to adventure and unlocked a world of wonder.